Hello HI community. This is a tutorial video on EdPuzzle, and this might be your best friend for remote teaching. In order to be on EdPuzzle, please make sure you are on the browser called Chrome. I probably think you mostly use the browser Safari, but for EdPuzzle, you need to be on Chrome because it does some weird things if it's on Safari. Just ask Elizabeth. It does weird things on Safari. If you don't have Chrome, go to Finder, go to Applications. It's in alphabetical order. Just pull Chrome down to your dock. Okay, I'm gonna log in. I am a teacher. I'm gonna sign in with Google because that's easy. I have a Gmail. The G stands for Google. I'm gonna hit that. And I am in. I'm going to go straight to my classes. I'm going to go straight to my students. So I have various classes. If you want to add a new class, please ignore Google Classroom. Hit Create a New Class, and I'm going to hit 7C French 2020. It's going to be Classic. I'm going to hit Create Class. Since I just created it, I have no students. So I'm going to hit Invite Students. I'm going to copy this link. And I'm going to put that link on the HI website on my 7C page because this is 7C French. So on my 7C page on the HI's website, I'm going to say, hey students, click this link and join this classroom. So I'm going to go to an established class, and there are 39 students in this established class, and these are the names. They look a bit odd. I have a first name, I have a number, I've got a letter, I've got a last name. So I'm going to hit these three dots here. I'm going to hit Edit Name. So the first name, I actually had to edit all of these names. The first name is this, the last name is the block letter and the grade and the last name. So this does look strange, but if I go to gradebooks, it's going to make sense because all my 7B people are together, last name alphabetically ordered, and 7C people are together, alphabetically ordered, 7E, 7F, etc. Okay, so let's say that you are interested in a YouTube video. You're going to go to Content. So you can just randomly search these things. I actually went to a new tab. This happens to be my channel, and I am interested in teaching you about how to make a fillable worksheet PDF. And I'm going to teach you how to do this using EdPuzzle. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to click on this until the thing is entirely blue. Command C. I'm going to go back to EdPuzzle, and I'm going to say, hey EdPuzzle, let's go to YouTube. But I already know my URL. Command V. Here it is. Okay, so this particular one is 2 minutes and 13 seconds, but you know what? Sometimes you gotta cut a video, you gotta trim it. So I'm gonna trim the intro away.
Hello HI's community.
I'm gonna trim this away. I'm gonna stop it there. And I'm gonna go to the end. I'm just gonna trim the end away. For our purposes, I'm going to stop there. So now it's 1 minute 28 seconds. Again, please make sure you on Chrome. I'm gonna go, I don't need a voiceover, but it's pretty cool that I could do a voiceover. I'm gonna go to questions. But first, I need to play the video.
Is it an document here that is translation for Latin?
And I'm going to pause it. I'm going to hit multiple choice. What kind of document is this? Okay, the check means that's the right answer. A translation doc for Latin. Capital L. Okay, a French worksheet. My IRS tax form for 2019. Add. I done know. I done know. Save.
And
Continue.
And what I want to do is go to File, Save As, and I need to make it a PDF. So I'm going to hit PDF.
Pause. Multiple choice question. I need to save the .docx to what kind of file again? A PDF. A .doc, which doesn't exist anymore. An MP4 3. Who knows? Okay, save. Continue.
I'm going to hit Export. It's going to go to my desktop.
Okay, I'm going to get to the good part.
And I'm going to hit Open With, and I'm going to hit Adobe Acrobat.
Pause. Multiple choice. How, okay, with what do I open the PDF? The answer is Adobe Acrobat, which is right here. And that has to do with the fillable PDF, not with the EdPuzzle. Adobe Acrobat. A quick time. Add answer. Word doc. Yes, Word. Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. Save it. Okay. You don't have the patience to see any more of this, so I'm going to hit continue. And I'm going to hit finish. I'm going to review it.
A document here that is translation for Latin. And
okay, what kind of document is this? It's a translation doc for Latin. Submit. I'm amazing. Continue.
And what I want to do is go to File, Save As, and I need to make it a PDF. So I'm going to hit PDF.
Wait, I need to save the .docx to what kind of file again? Oh, of course, a PDF. Submit. 100. Amazing. Continue.
I'm going to hit Export. It's Open With, and I'm going to hit Adobe Acrobat.
Wait, with what do I open the PDF? Adobe Acrobat. That's it. Submit. Okay. Continue. I'm going to watch the rest of the video.
We have it here. And this.
Okay, I've
I'm
seen
going
it
to
all.
close it. And
So I'm happy with that. I want my kids to watch that. I'm going to hit assign. And I want to assign it to my 7th French class. Assign. Okay, so I don't want it to start today. I want it to start Monday morning at 8 a.m. And I want it to be due Tuesday before midnight. Save. And that's it. Well, wait a minute. What if you already made a video on your desktop? Go to Content, go to My Content. I'm going to do something sort. I'm going to add content. I'm going to upload a video. I'm going to choose a file. That file is on my desktop, and that file is called Writable PDF How To. Open. Okay, so you're just going to wait for it to open, and you're going to do the same thing that I just showed you. Good luck, and I'm here for you. I will answer your questions.